ITC Gourmet Couch South Indian Sampler from ITC Maratha Mumbai. Good packaging. Contains 5 items with chutneys and sambar separate. Idli is small and soft. Would have liked a larger size idli. Medu is soaked in oil and has no bite to it. Onion bodi uttapam is like a pancake. Was looking for a thicker version. Upma is a bit too sticky and lacks flavor. Coconut chutney amount and taste is good. Sambar is too sweetish. Mixed vegetables are okay. Tomato chutney amount and taste is good. Coriander chutney amount and taste is good. Value for money. All the chutneys are fairly good amount and tasty. Rava Kesari has too much ghee. Filter coffee is well served in a glass bottle. Good taste. South Indian Sampler, price Rs 525 plus. Price can be reduced with usage of coupons on first time Couch Gourmet app order. Hope to have earned your subscription.